What's up, YouTube? This video will be about this charmander that I made from 3D printing. Now let me spin it around so you guys can get a view of what it looks like. Alright, let's take a look at the head. Now the head can spin all the way around and move up and down. Now the arm is connected to the body by a ball joint. I'm using a ball joint because it gives the shoulder more mobility. As you can see, you can go up, down, left, right, and gives it a rotating motion. Now the shoulder joint right here, it's actually connected by a pin. So it can go up and down. And then the rest of the arm, it's connected by a pin and a hole. This way the arm can rotate independently without the whole shoulder moving. Now let's take a look at the legs. Let me take this tail off so you guys can see the legs better. So the legs can go up and down in a running motion. And let me pop it right off so you guys can see. It's just another ball joint. And then for the ankle, I'm also using another ball joint, as you guys can see. This way it gives the ankle more motion, up and down, and also sideways. The tail, it's able to wiggle up and down and stay in that position. And also bend at the middle section. And it could also go side to side. Alright, this will be the end of this video. If you would like to see how I designed this charmander, please click on the video right here. And if you would like to see more 3D Pokemon printing, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.